Did you know a small-town accounting clerk brought down a $1 million corruption scheme and became a hero? Grace Martinez had worked for the City Utilities Department for 8 years, quietly processing bills and balancing books. Until one Tuesday morning, she noticed something strange in the billing system. Residents were being charged extra fees that didn't exist in the official rate schedule. $20 here, $50 there. Small amounts most people wouldn't question. But when she ran the numbers, it added up to millions stolen from taxpayers. Her supervisor brushed off her concerns, telling her to mind her own business. Grace faced an impossible choice: keep quiet and keep her job, or risk everything to expose the truth. She chose truth. Within days of reporting to federal authorities, she was suspended and harassed by coworkers. Friends stopped calling. Her reputation was destroyed. But 18 months later, FBI agents arrested her supervisor and recovered over $3 million. Grace received a whistleblower reward and was promoted to department oversight. Sometimes doing right costs everything until it rewards everything.